Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to hear a pizza joke? Never mind, it's too cheesy. What did the pizza say to the delivery guy? You don't pepperoni me. What did the delivery guy say to the pizza? Hey now, don't get saucy. How do you get a college grad off your porch? You pay for the pizza. Pizza had a bad dream. It was a night marinara. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.